Well, hello, my friend. Come on in. What a wild year, my friends. 4 months ago, we moved from Chicago to Charlotte, North Carolina. And now we are moving into our new home. We're excited. We're not nervous, but this happened so fast and kind of unexpectedly because we weren't planning on buying a house right away, that right now my husband and I are still kind of in shock. So I'm going to take you around this empty house. Now my husband did start doing a few things that you could see the ladder right there because we need to paint. You know, we need to just freshen it up, of course. And then we're going to move in and there are things on the second floor that we're going to be doing later on. So hopefully that'll be part of the journey on this channel also, and I'll show you as we're going room through room and updating it and making it into whatever we need to make it. Now I'm going to turn the camera around and let's walk around the house. When you enter our home, we do have a little area to put a table right there and maybe a mirror. So a little bit of a foyer. And here we have a coat closet. It is fairly big. And then we have the dining room. It's a good size. It's more of a square shape. So I do have room to put some cabinets in the back. You'll see what I mean by cabinets when I get them. Off the dining room, we have the kitchen. These right here are 2 sweet gifts from our real estate team. The roses are so stunning. And there's something in this box that I have not opened yet. But we have a beautiful quartz countertop. Everything's white, everything's clean. The range is gas, so that's kind of nice. I've been looking forward to a gas stove for a while now. I have microwave, a little bit of cabinets, beautiful light fixtures here. Here we have the sink, of course, the dishwasher. Over here, I'm going to have a round table in the kitchen nook with some chairs. I'm looking forward to that so much. Here we have a pantry. It's not a big pantry, but it does need a little bit of TLC. So we'll take care of that real quick before we move in. The refrigerator, more than likely, we're going to be updating. Some shelving right there. A very curious dog right there. And of course, more cabinets on top. It's a small kitchen, but for the two of us, it's more than enough. Off of here, we have our living room. And in this area, it's smaller than it looks. So I'm still trying to figure out how to, I guess, arrange it, because on the other side is where the TV is going to be, but the big couch kind of fits sideways. So if you have any ideas, definitely let me know. If you have a situation like this, I think from this angle, you can kind of tell that this side is longer and this side is shorter. So maybe a couch and maybe like a matching recliner over here. I'm not sure. So this is an area that it's still in the works. Let's just put it this way. This is the sunroom. And in here is where I'm going to convert it to actually my office, not craft room, office. I'm going to have a little recliner there kind of for me to do whatever computer work. I found a chair that's kind of nice. It has like a table and a recliner at the same time, because if you look on this side, I have a TV right there. So I thought it would be like a Nadia area here. And then against this long wall, I'm going to have some cabinetry for extra storage and a table in front, of course, with a chair. I do have a little bathroom here on the first floor, like a guest bathroom. So we are going to actually update that because my husband's 6'2", and that is a tiny, tiny one. And then we're going to get rid of this and put a cabinet in there so that I could store my cleaning supplies in there. And of course, I want something in the back that I have not decided. And of course, a nice, beautiful mirror. This is the bonus area. Right there, we're going to put a little bit of a coffee bar because we're going to, of course, have a TV here. My husband decided to put his desk right there. So it's going to be a little bit of his office and a TV room. The TV is going to go right here, and there is the closet. This is a pretty spacious closet, so lots of storage room in this one. This cute little room is actually going to be a guest room. Hashtag, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I am going to change that light fixture for sure. And it does have a little closet. Right, Louis? I do have a bathroom here that's more of a guest bathroom, but this one needs update. As you can tell, it just needs a little TLC. Here is the craft room. How adorable is this? This was actually a little girl's room. Eventually, we're going to remodel this room. Also, of course, all the carpet is going to go away from all the rooms. This little chandelier, I'm planning on putting in the guest room because it's absolutely adorable. And then in the closet, we're going to do something unique. In the closet here, we're actually going to make this a cat area. And so they're going to have their box right there, and we'll figure like this situation out. We want to like put something underneath there. And my husband has a plan to do a ventilation area here. So this is going to be their little bathroom. Here is our room. It's fairly big. It does have a tray ceiling. Right in here is the closet. It's going to need a little bit of love too. It's fairly large. It's a good size. I like that there's 2 shelving, but we might update it eventually. For now, it is fine. And the last thing here is going to be the master bathroom. This is definitely our vibe. It's very modern, very clean. I have the sinks right here, everything black and white, and I love that. Look at that, very beautiful. We have the toilet right there and a linen closet right in here. Porch is a little bit on the smaller size, at least for me. So we are going to expand it out a little bit, but it's enough for us to put a little table, a little couch, and of course for Louis to run around. Where's Louis? There he is. I think it puts a smile on any pet owner to have all this room for a little fur baby, right, Louis? And he is definitely enjoying all the room that he gets. Louis, you ready to go back home? Yeah, let's go back in the house. I hope you enjoyed this empty house tour. Hopefully you're going to subscribe and stick around, because here is where I'm going to be doing Christmas decor, tablescapes, maybe tablescapes in the dining room, some in the kitchen. We are going to have some fun, and we are going to add a little bit more of home decor to this channel. Thank you so much for being with us, and we will see you in our next video. Bye, friends. Louis, bye. Mwah. Bye, guys.